This is something that you might want to be aware of when using Blender. So in LightWave, I can go like this. So just drag the mouse over to that position and it locks. And like that. Okay. In Blender, you can do the same thing. Drag the mouse, the tablet in this case, all the way over here, and you can just see that this is like a dance. So the navigation is very different in these applications. So there are good things about that and bad things. So LightWave is, in my opinion, doing it too slow, and Blender is just doing it too fast. So, and also you'll see that because of that, if you use a tablet, it will be kind of like shaky. Because there's the mouse has such an impact. So I'm not sure really if I mean, it's good and it's bad at the same time. Just like LightWave, it's good and it's bad. So that's so see here, I don't get that shaky movement really by far in LightWave. It's just smooth. There's a downside to that, of course. And I don't think that there's any way to change it. Maybe there is. I'll have to look into that, but it's something to think about if you think Blender is behaving in kind of like a strange way, because it moves damn fast. And then Modeler just moves not fast at all. So that's why things can feel quite shaky, really, in Blender. It's both good and bad, really. But at least something to think about. I didn't really understand that the difference was that huge, that the impact was that big. But as you can see, rotating like this is very different from Modeler. Just talking about Modeler here. So just something to be aware of.